iPhone 16 Pro Max review. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple's latest flagship device, and it's a true reflection of Apple's commitment to innovation and design. This phone is packed with features that set a new standard in the smartphone industry. Here's a detailed look at what makes the iPhone 16 Pro Max stand out. Design and build. From the very first glance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max screams luxury. Apple has refined the design with aerospace-grade titanium, making it incredibly durable yet surprisingly lightweight compared to its predecessors. The bezels have been reduced even further, giving the front of the phone an almost all-screen look. The back now features a matte glass finish with a subtle gradient, which not only looks premium, but also reduces fingerprint smudging. The phone is available in for stunning colors: graphite, silver, gold, and a new deep blue. Its IP68 water and dust resistance ensure that it can withstand daily wear and tear without compromising on looks. Display. Apple has taken the already impressive display from the iPhone 15 Pro Max and upgraded it. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a stunning 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are incredibly deep, and brightness levels have been improved for better outdoor viewing. The addition of a dynamic island feature remains, further refining the user experience by delivering notifications, alerts, and live updates in an interactive way. For those who consume a lot of media, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a dream come true. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just browsing, the visual experience is second to none. Performance. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the all-new A18 Bionic chip. This chip is not just faster, it's also more energy efficient, making multitasking a breeze while conserving battery life. Combined with up to 8 GB of RAM, the phone handles demanding apps, video editing, and gaming effortlessly. The A18 Bionic also pushes the boundaries of machine learning, allowing for faster and more accurate performance in AI-driven applications like voice recognition, augmented reality, and image processing. Camera system. Apple has always been at the forefront of smartphone photography, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max takes it even further. The triple-lens camera setup now includes a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and an improved 12MP periscope telephoto lens that offers up to 6x optical zoom. The new image processing algorithms enhance low-light performance, delivering crisp and detailed photos even in challenging conditions. The front camera has also been upgraded, with a 14MP TrueDepth camera that delivers excellent selfies, enhanced Face ID, and new augmented reality features. Battery life. One of the standout features of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is its improved battery life. Thanks to the A18 Bionic chip's efficiency and a larger battery, the iPhone 16 Pro Max can easily last a full day of heavy usage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, you won't find yourself scrambling for a charger in the middle of the day. And when you do need to charge, the iPhone 16 Pro Max supports 3.0W fast charging, MagSafe, and SHARE wireless charging for added convenience. Software. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on iOS 18, bringing a host of new features to enhance the user experience. Widgets are now more interactive, there's better multitasking, and privacy features have been taken up a notch. iOS 18 also introduces a new mode called Focus Pro, which is designed to help users stay productive by minimizing distractions. Final thoughts. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a powerhouse in every sense. Its beautiful design, top-tier performance, advanced camera system, and long-lasting battery make it one of the best smartphones on the market. It's perfect for power users, photographers, and anyone who wants the best Apple has to offer. While it comes with a premium price tag, the experience you get with the iPhone 16 Pro Max is absolutely worth it.